slime, subscribe, hit that bell, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, hit the bell. And I'm Phoenix, that's Gigi, that's Ryan, and we can and if you do that, like, subscribe, and hit that bell, you'll be able to win one of these paracord bracelet. So the colors we're going to use today are blue, green, purple, and pink. So the ingredients on here is super easy. Only 2 ingredients. It's 4, 5, or 6 ounces. 1/4 cup magical liquid, and then equals 1 batch of slime. And that's how it's super easy. Only 2 things. 2. And that's all. Okay, so the steps are: step 1, where is recording? Okay. Step 1, take off the lid. Step 2, dump it, which might take a second. Oh my God! Now Ryan wants to do it. No, guys, look. It's washable. No. Now step 2, add it in. What the guys?
Here.
Oh. And then activator. The 3, 2, 1. Whole bottle of glue. And then dump that whole. Wait, it's working. It's actually working, guys.
It's making slime.
See? It's making the slime. Guys.
My slime looks like it's almost done.
Already, I know. That's why it's called magic stuff, bro.
So it's magic.
I'm gonna add a tiny bit of blue.
It's already slime.
I'm adding a tiny bit of blue, guys. Which
Oh.
means
Whoa. It's already slimy.
oh, it's gooey. It's gooey.
Mine is slimy. Mine is gooey now. So that means it's almost done. But do you see,
It's
guys?
done.
My hands is gooey. My hands are gooey. Gooey.
Well, guys, look what Ryan just did. He dumped both of it in one container, which means Ryan, you might need to add this thing of activated too.
Not both of them.
No, Ryan just mixed up both of it in once.
So that's going to be really
I'm making mine separate slime.
safe for me.
So we have, oh, that feels,
It's still gooey.
sticky to me.
But it's not sticking to
Raise
mine.
your hand if it's sticky. It's actually sticky, guys.
Mine is really gooey and sticky. If I squeeze it, it
tastes
sticks.
bad.
Do you see it just pop?
And now I just put it in my bag.
Do you see this? When it's like this? Easy to pull off.
Then just. Ren, wait, let me help you put it in your bag. That's not how you do it. Use your spoon,
Guys, I don't have to
bro.
wash my
Never
hands
mind.
really quick.
No, we can be making some more slime, which means you don't need to.
But my hands are gonna be like gooey. Then we first.
Isn't that satisfying, Dad?
Then we.
Dad, you're supposed to be talking in this video. Isn't it satisfying? Oh my God, guys, legit my mom is legit saying magic and giving us a paper towel for a mess. No, oh my God.
Really?
Yeah, I'm dumb.
Alright, have you having fun over there?
Yeah, he's totally not doing. Wait. You actually got some in there, Dad?
Yeah.
Ren,
You might have to help him out.
yeah, I will.
You might have
Alright,
to
hold
use
on,
your
Orion, wait.
hands.
Stir it around some more. Stir around a whole bunch more.
Okay, guys, I'm helping my brother. So let me help you. Stirring it. Okay. I'm putting it in the bag for you, though. Okay?
Yes. Gooey is. Did you see how gooey it is?
That's my dad doing it. That's my dad.
It's gooey.
He's wearing the thing.
Whoa.
Giveaway thing. So why the heck are you wearing the giveaway thing? Why? Okay, that's enough stirring, Ryan. Now let me dump it into the bag.
Help! Mine is now slimy now.
Let me see.
But also sticky. Mine is slimy. Mine is now
Oh my
slimy.
god.
Mine is now.
You're adding the rest of that glue? No, it won't. Guys, Ryan just legit keeps adding the rest of the glue.
Watch out. Let it go in. Don't make a mess over there. Okay, ready, JJ?
Oh my god.
Mine is already slimy.
No.
Oh my
Back. Back slime, back. Back. Yo. I have some troubles here.
Technical difficulties.
Ugh.
We're definitely going. So if we're like bored, we can use slime.
Oh, yeah. Now zip it up. Okay, my hands are real spoon. Okay, now I'm gonna start making my second batch. Dad.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start making my second batch of slime now.
I'm gonna put.
I'm not doing this slowly anymore. Might as well have some green spoons. This will take a long time.
This looks like yellow.
Oh my god. Yeah, it does. Looks like yellow. That's taking forever. Slime get dripped slowly. I know. This would take a long time too.
I'm going to add some of my blue in here.
Yo.
Since there's some blue left. There's a bunch of blue left. So it looks like this.
First every time making slime. And good.
Come on, add some blue in. Get that blue in. It looks like the Fortnite drinks.
Slurpees?
Yes, the slips.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's really sticky right here. Guys, legit some of my green is coming with the blue. Look at this. Doesn't that look cool? And look, that's why it's called magical liquid. This stuff is so fun. See how high this can go? It can go high, and then when it, see? When I
Wait
stand
a
up,
second.
it's legit impossible to even get out a piece right now. Yes. Okay.
That's pretty much all.
Wait, we can even play with that slime inside of a Ziploc, inside of the Ziploc Baghdad. You can stir it up, see? Now look, you can even
Right next
stir
to
it up in here.
What are you looking for?
No.
This?
So, gross. Is it That's okay. Yo.
Oh, now
It's probably. Oh yeah, it's sticky.
Oh, this is
Guys, look at this. That looks like.
See?
Oh, it's sticky, Dad. Okay, no, stop, Ryan, it's sticky. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of more of this.
I will have to add a little bit more of this so it's not sticky as well.
Little bit.
I'm doing a full cap at a time.
I'm gonna just do this. There you go.
Okay, a full cap at a time, guys.
Okay, go.
It might be not
Oh my god. Okay, no more.
A full 2 caps at a time.
Close it up.
Oh,
Yeah.
this thing's sticky. This is why I'm actually more of an activator. Anyways, this thing's sticky. Okay, this is the time where I need to do add time. I'm giving up on the spoon technique.
Do you see, guys?
Look
what
at
I
this.
can do with slime?
Michael, grab your spoon.
mine.
Oh! Grab the whole glove. Okay, it's still really sticky. Yo, it's legit sticky. Oh. Anyways, guys, this is our first time making.
Let's see it.
No.
Oh, do you see? I have like little finger
Okay.
wings. I have little finger wings. I have finger wings.
Oh my God! Abort! 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 Abort!
I like these are for great
Yo,
for
the
slime.
glue is legit on my finger right now.
There's a bunch on my fingers. That's why this slime is like slicky. I mean,
Your hands are dirty? Okay, go wash
really
them.
sticky.
Is that being guys?
My
Oh
hands
my
are too like
Here, add more of that.
I just
Oh no, this
there we go.
spoon
Just
is
added the
covered
whole
in
rest,
slime.
guys.
Ah,
I just added the rest.
Get
Maybe
out
that would work.
that slime. See, it's
Lights start to become slowly less sticky, guys. And also, I got the brand new tablet here for at Christmas, and today's Christmas. Oh, it's not sticky anymore, Dad. Guys, look at this.
So you just have
It's
to.
not sticky
So
anymore.
you have to stir it up a lot.
The hand, done. My full and clean hand is now turning to.
So you need more activator.
Mhm.
Yeah, just add in the rest. It will work, guys. Just add in the rest of the. This
Oh,
is gooey slime. Gooey
Mine
slime.
is getting. My hands are getting gooey. And
Wait, what? The
gooey.
spoon? The spoon doesn't have that much. Okay, I can play with this
yeah.
for like an hour. That's how fun this stuff is. Anyways, this is when I did it. I had the lock activator. This is when I did that. I locked the activator. Definitely is not sticky.
Yeah.
Sticky, sticky.
Yeah.
And the round. So we want to add the rest of the activator in there. Or some.
Maybe the
Look at
rest.
this, guys. Look. It's not sticky anymore.
Our
It was-
finger wings, guys. Do you see our finger wings?
Bro, you need to add in the rest of the activator to make it work. Add in the rest. Here, JJ, let me add in the rest of the activator for you.
Oh.
Flow on string. Wait, can the camera see the string?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, stopping
It's stuck. JJ, I'm adding. JJ. add
Yeah,
the
all
rest-
done?
Add the rest of that, JJ. Add the rest of that. It will work if you add the rest of that. Add the rest of it. Be savage. It will actually work.
It looks
Like
like
I'm
I'm
not doing this on wood. But a carpet would might actually be ruined.
Mm-hmm.
Which means that's probably why you did this, right, Dad?
This is gooey.
Oh. Make that idea to point the camera at Mom. I dare you.
No,
Let's
don't
get less
stickier.
See this? See? That's why you need to add the full and whole container. There. That's the rest of the container.
Mine is getting less stickier. Yes, getting less. Yes.
You need it
Oh,
to
the
open?
slime is
Yep.
heading off my fingers. Yes. Yes. My
Okay,
other one is
you
on.
need to open that for Ryan. Legit try to open it with my
Yes,
slimy.
it's getting less stickier.
Okay, Ryan. You don't need a lot. No, Ryan, you don't need a lot, Ryan.
Let him do it.
You don't need a lot.
Let him do it.
Don't add the whole
off
thing.
of the spoon.
That's enough. That's enough. Let's start stirring it up with your fingers. That isn't. This is so much less stickier. Oh!
You
You're
only have-
moving on one hand. Record this, Dad. Record this. That's.
Oh, I'm actually getting more stickier.
Okay, I might even play this with 99% of the day with this off camera. And anyways, today's Christmas and I got a brand new tablet.
Don't see what it is when.
Guys, if I can you show them the tablet?
I
Like,
Because
It's gonna come on my spoon easily.
finally, that next vlog I make by myself, I'm gonna show it.
Don't see
Okay.
this when it's on the spoon.
It comes off easily, I know.
If you add the whole activator.
I mean, since yo, this is amazing.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's right, slime with not a lot of that. Ryan, can I have the rest of your
It's
activator?
coming off of me.
Ryan, can I have the rest of your activator? Stay awesome and share the love. Peace.